Good morning to all of you. I hope you all are well. Yes. So, chapter 1 number is going on. Revision we are doing. So, today's topic is face value and place value. Yes. What is the face value and what is the place value? When we write any number, in that number each digit have place value also and face value also. So, first we will discuss the face value. What is the face value? If I am writing any one number here, let's take a small number. So here we have to find the face value of these number. Okay. What is the number here? 263. Ones, tens, hundred. Yes. So what is the means of face value? Face value means whatever is the number here, that is the face value of that number. Means the face value of 3 is 3 only. The face value of 6 is 6 only. The face value of 2 is 2 only. Okay. So whatever is the number, that is the face value of that number, like a face. Yes. We cannot change a face. Our face is always remain same. If I am here, if I am in the school, okay, if maybe I am going out, so my face will be the same. Means this is my face value. Yes. The same number, it has face value. And what is the face value? Whatever is the number, that is the face value of this. Means how a number is looking. Yes, what is the means of face? We recognize you with your face. How is your face? Maybe the two same name students are there in class. Maybe Ravi is there. Yes, Ravi and Ravi. So Ravi here, both are Yadav here. Yes, both are Yadav. So how you will recognize ma'am is talking about which Ravi? Yes, both have similar name. So how we will identify? We will identify with their face. Yes. So same way we identify here the number with their face. So the face value means how a number is looking. The 3 is looking like this. So 3 is the face value of that number. 6. The 6 is the face value of 6. 2 is the face value of 2. If I am taking any other number. Yes. So here if I am talking, tell me the face value of 6. So the face value of 6 is 6 only. Okay. How is 6 is looking? 6 is looking like 6 only. That is the face value of 6. 9. If I am talking about 9, the face value 9 is 9 only. The face value of 1 is 1 only. The face value of 3 is 3 only. Clear? So face value, what is the means of face value? Face value means the number itself. Whatever is the number, that is the face value of that number. If 3 is looking like 3, the face value of 3 is 3 always. Either the 3 is on 1's place, 3 on 10's place. The face value of 3 is always 3 only. Clear? So now let's discuss the place value. Now let's see the place value. What is the means of place value? Place value means in which house is the number. What is the place of that number? Yes, place value. Place means what is the place of that number. Yes. So that is called the place value. Like we can change our place. Yes, right now I am here. Maybe after few days I will be in the school. The same like you. Right now you are at home. So you are your mama's babies. Yes. But whenever you will go to the school, so that time you will be a student there. So according to place, your value is changing. Those the same thing is here. According to their place, the value is also changed. If I am talking about 5. So 5 is in where? One's house. Now the 5 is in one's house. So here the value, place value of 5 is 5 ones. 5 ones means 5 only. Yes. But here if I am writing any number, if I am asking what is the place value of 5 here. So now the place value of 5 is in 100 place. So 500. 500 means 500. Yes. So now look here. If the 5 is changing their places, the value is also changing. Yes. Here it is on one's place. So the place value is 5 ones. But here the same number is there 5, but now the place is changed. Now it is in 100 house. So the place value of 5 is 500. Yes. So the place value, the number change its place value according to their places, in which place it is. Yes. So here if I am talking about 2, so 2 tens. 2 tens means, what is the means of 2 tens? 20. 2 is in tens place. So the place value of 2 is 20 here. Here only, in this number only. But if I am talking about the face value of 2 is always 2. Here also and here also. The face value of 5, here also 5 and here also 5. But the place value, they are changing their values according to their places. Here 5 is 500. Here the place value of 5 is 5 only. Because the 5 is in one's house, the 5 is in 100 house. Got it? So the place value of 6 is, where is the 6? 6 in 100 house. So 600. Yes? So the place value of 6 is 600. Now 4,000. What is the place value of 4? Where is the 4? 4 in 1000 house. So 4,000. Clear? How we'll find out the place value? In which house is the number, or what is the place of number? That is called the place value. So now it is clear to you all what is the difference between place value and face value. Face value means whatever is the number, the 4, wherever the 4 will become, the face value of 4 is always 4. Yes. But if I am talking about the place value, it's depend on the places. In which place is the 4? Okay, here it is on 1000 place. Maybe in other number it will be on ones or tens. Okay, so the place value change according to their places. Okay, clear? I think it is clear to you all. So now you have to do exercise related to this place value and face value in your course book and your practice book also. Okay, if the pages are not done, please finish it. So let's see the next topic. This topic is comparing numbers. By comparing numbers, we can find out the bigger number, smaller number. Yes, by comparing 2 or more digits. So to do the comparison, we use few symbols. Look, we'll use few symbols to compare the 2 or more numbers. Yes, and why we do compare? We can find out the greater number, the smaller number and the equal number also. Yes, so now let's start with first one, this symbol. Which symbol it is? So we always read the symbol from left to right. This is a left side and this is a right side. Yes, and the left side, the mouth is closing. See, the mouth is closing, and the right side, the mouth is opening. So this is lesser than. This is less than symbol. Which is this? Less than symbol. Yes. Now let's take the second symbol. Now again this is a left side, right side. Now the left side, the mouth is opening. The mouth is open, left side. So first we'll read from this side. Yes. So it is greater than symbol. Which symbol it is? Greater than. So let's write Greater. Greater than. Yes. And the last one is two sleeping, two parallel line. So this is called equal to. Which sign it is? Equal to, or you can say same. Yes, equal to. Yes. So this one is, our first symbol is less than. If the left side the mouth is closed, then it is less than. If the left side the mouth is open, it is greater than. And the both parallel lines, it is called equal to or same, we can say. Okay, so now let's start with the one. How we will use this symbol? Where we need to put this symbol? So I think everyone knows about this. Yes. Which animal mouth it is? It's a crocodile mouth, and the crocodile has a large stomach, so it always loves to eat greater number. Yes, the crocodile always loves to eat greater number. So wherever it will get the bigger number or the greater number, it will open his mouth towards the greater number. Okay, it always open his mouth towards the greater number. So let's see, take one example. If I am writing 26 and 49, so which is the bigger number here? This one is the bigger number. So now this time the crocodile will eat this number because it loves to eat greater number, and this is the bigger number, so it will eat 49. So we have which symbol we need to use? We have to open the mouth towards the greater number. Just keep one thing in your mind, we have to always open the mouth, means mouth should be open always towards the greater number. Wherever the bigger number, we have to open the mouth that side only. Okay, so how we'll read this? Let's read from left to right. In Hindi, in English, always we read left to right. Like if I am writing here, I am a girl. Yes, so I am start reading from here. The same way in the maths also, I am reading like I am a girl. I will not reading that girl am I. Yes, it is wrong. So always read left to right. So if you will read from left side, so left side the mouth is closing, means lesser than. So 26 is less than 49. How will read this? 26 is less than 49. Okay, and what happen if the 49 is here and the 26 is here? That time what will the crocodile do? It will open the mouth towards the 49. See here. Now this time it will eat 49 number because it's a bigger number. Yes, and it always loves to eat bigger number. So it will open its mouth towards the greater number. So how we'll read? Again read left to right. This is a left side, this is a right side. So read from the left side. So now this time how we'll read this? 49 is greater than 26. How we'll read? 49 is greater than 26. So let's write here. 49 is Greater greater than 26. Yes, see here, both the things are same, but we are writing in different way. Why we are writing in different way? It depends which symbol we are using. Here we are using less than symbol. Here we are using greater than symbol. Clear? Now it is clear. So this is apply for the bigger number also. Yes, it is same for the bigger number also. Now where we will use equal to sign? Equal to means if the both number are same, 46 here and 46 here. This time the crocodile will not eat any number, he will feel sleepy. So he is sleeping now, means two parallel line you have to draw. This is a symbol of equal to. If the both the numbers are same, then we'll use equal to sign. In a smaller number, easily we can tell then which is the smaller and which is the greater. But in larger number, in bigger number, how we will identify which is a bigger number and which is a smaller number? So to find out the smaller or greater number, there is a few steps. So one is just check digits. Digits means we need to check the numbers digit. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 digits. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. So the number who has more digits, it's a greater number. So we'll put this sign here. We'll open the mouth towards this side. Yes. And what happens if the digits are also same? I am taking the next example. Yes. Now let's count the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits. Yes, I am writing in their standard form, so it will be easy to read you this number. Yes, so both have 6 digits. So our one condition is not working here. If the digits are equal, then what we will do? Yes, here it has more digits, that's why it's a greater number, but here the digits are same. If the digits are same, then we'll check the leftmost number. Leftmost means this number. Yes, leftmost number. Second step is check leftmost. Leftmost means the number which is in the left side. Okay. Here we have 2 and here we have 3. So where we have bigger number? Here. Here we have 3 and here we have 2. So 3 is a bigger number. It means it's a greater number. Clear? So what happens if this number is also same? If here also, if I am saying here also we have 3. Then what we will do this time? If here also we have 3 and here also leftmost is 3 here and here also 3. Then we'll check the next number. Yes. Here. So here we have 6 and here we have 4. So who has bigger number? 6 has greater number. So it is a bigger number. If this digit is also same, maybe here also 4, then we'll check the next digit. This one and this one. Here we have 2 and here we have 4. It means this is a greater number. Clear? So what is the steps we need to check to find out the greater or smaller number? First we need to check digits. The number who has more number of digits, it's a greater number. If the digits are same, if the both the number, maybe the 5 digits are there or 6 digits are there, then we will check the leftmost number, this number. Yes, leftmost number. Then the number which is bigger here, it's a greater number. If the leftmost number, the first number is same, then we'll check the next number. Let's take one more example. So our next example is 2,45,780, 2,36,290. So we have to compare this number, which is the bigger and which is the smaller. So first we need to check digits. Let's count the digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 digits are there. Means both have 6 digits. Yes. 6 digits we have here and here also. Yes. If the digits are same, then what we will check? Leftmost number. So what is the leftmost number here? 2. And here 2. If these number is also same, then what we will do now? We'll check the next number. Let's check the next one number. Here. The next number, here we have 4 and here we have 3. So which is the bigger number? 4. So that's why the 2,45,780 is greater than 2,36,290. Clear? You will not read this that 2,36,290 is less than. This is the wrong way. Okay, how we will read? We'll read from left side, here to here. First we'll read this number, whatever number is here. We'll read this number, then we'll read symbol, then we'll read this number. So what is the first number here? 2,45,780 is greater than 2,36,290. Clear to you all? So let's revise the symbol. Total we have 3 symbols. Greater than, if the mouth is open left side, this is a left side. Yes. Then we'll read this greater than symbol. If this one is greater than, if the mouth is open left side, this is called less than symbol. This is the left side, and the left side the mouth is closed. Yes, the mouth is closed here. So this is called less than symbol, and this is called equal to. Okay, so complete your exercise in your book. Bye bye to you all. Take care of yourself. Thank you.